Hey folks, it's the next morning. I decided I was going to go ahead and throw this sausage on the smoker. We're going to be smoking today with some cherry that we've harvested right from our homestead. If you come in here just a little bit closer, I'll show you what we got. I just coiled this sausage on these trays, slid it in there. Try to keep them from touching as much as you can, but if they do touch a little bit, it's not the end of the world. We're going to let this smoke for a couple of hours till we get an internal temperature of about 155, 160 degrees, and we're going to pull it off, give it a cold shock and a bath, cool it down, get it ready for the freezer. Y'all stay tuned. Alright folks, so we hit an internal temperature of about 160 degrees. So I'm going to pull these out, dump them in a bucket of cool water to give them a good shock. We're going to put them on trays, take them in the house. This is just cool, clean water, just to stop the cooking process. Man, those are warm. That's all there is to it, folks.